Chicken Alfredo Pasta with garlic pita bread. Sauté onions first.